As you prepare to list your home in the vibrant Las Vegas real estate market, it's essential to understand the importance of the Seller's Real Property Disclosure Form, also known as the SRPD. The Nevada revised statutes mandate that sellers provide a comprehensive disclosure of all material facts about the property to prospective buyers. This form serves as a vital tool to give buyers a clear and accurate picture of the condition and the history of the home. The SRPD disclosure covers a wide range of essential details, including the mechanical systems, structural integrity, appliances and fixtures, and any known hazards or defects. Even if you've properly addressed and repaired any issues in the past, the law requires you to disclose this information to buyers, such as a water leak in the hall bath that was repaired by a restoration company. It's also a good idea to save the receipts for major repairs like that. By being transparent about the property's condition, you not only fulfill your legal obligations, but you also build trust and confidence with potential purchasers. Navigating this disclosure requirement can be complex, but once it's completed, you can confidently meet your obligations and position the home for a successful sale. So if you have any questions about this or any other part of the process of selling, give me a call on my cell, as always, 702-510-9625. Together we can work to create a transparent and seamless selling experience for all the parties involved.